Hi, this is the Mat-Su cohort presenting on vaccine confidence in the Mat-Su borough. The purpose of this project is to improve COVID-19 vaccine confidence by identifying and addressing unique concerns among adults in the Mat-Su community.
So the population of the Mat-Su borough is just over 100,000. It is a mix of urban and rural environment or demographics and is a suburb of Anchorage. The total fully vaccinated individuals in the Mat-Su borough is 37.2% of the population. And if you look at the bar graph we created, when you compare the Mat-Su borough to other boroughs in Alaska, we are one of the least fully vaccinated boroughs.
For our assessment, we performed a review of literature, finding the population demographics, the incident rates of COVID, as well as local vaccine hesitancy details. Dr. Alter, who's an emergency physician at Mat-Su Regional, corroborated with the notion that there is a vaccine hesitance among Mat-Su adults. Then we distributed a COVID-19 awareness survey to the community.
So our survey showed us that the most common reason behind vaccination hesitancy was mistrust in the vaccine regarding safety and validity of information. The health belief model is the most appropriate nursing theory because it states that an individual's readiness to take action is based on their personal beliefs of whether they are at risk for a particular health problem, as well as their perception of the benefits of prophylactic measures. As a group, we determined that our intervention should be geared to education. So our PSA was written and designed to teach about the development of the mRNA vaccine and about vaccine safety.
We evaluated our intervention and found via feedback from community members that there's an increased understanding of mRNA development and safety, as well as an increased confidence in vaccine safety and an increased trust in public health care providers. If we continue to distribute the PSA, we expect a reestablishment of dialogue and trusting relationships between community and their trusted healthcare providers. In conclusion, we found that by addressing lack of information among Mat-Su residents, our intervention, our PSA, will hopefully improve vaccine confidence now and in the future. For our recommendations, we'd like to encourage patients to have conversations with their trusted healthcare providers regarding the vaccine. They can also contact Mat-Su Public Health Office for more information regarding the vaccine and to schedule a vaccine appointment. And if they're 5 months outside of their initial series, they can receive.
As a group, our reflection theme was a change in perspective. Initially, our goal was to convince Mat-Su residents to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Our perception changed to assess why they are hesitant and to develop a education to increase confidence in the vaccine. Limitations to our study, however, were that the majority of our survey participants were female and vaccinated. And according to the CDC, this is not an accurate representation of the Mat-Su borough.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope you found this information valuable.